Business Central aims to make accounting, forecasting, etc. a simpler process for your users. The budgeting functionality is fantastic. You can take a budget directly from Excel, push it into Business Central. From there, there's out of the box, or you can build custom Power BI reports to look at actual versus budgeted amounts. And you can do this for both income statement accounts as well as balance sheet accounts, as well as the functionality directly within Business Central. You can drill into any of your financial reports by dimension and then drill into a hyperlink number that makes up the transactions directly within Business Central and make that comparison. That's actually where Business Central shines and really differentiates itself as an ERP player in the market, in the space. With Business Central, all inventoried transactions will flow to your subledger called the item ledger entries. From there, we can see purchases, outputs, etc. My favorite feature of kind of tracking your inventory is when it comes to landed costs, there's so many more expenses that we're rolling up into that inventory value. Freight, duties, tariffs, you name it. With Business Central, you're able to take those broker invoices, assign them to the purchase receipts against those inventoried items, and see directly within the item ledger entries the costs that make up that inventory value. Enhanced visibility, and it lets you report on changing freight costs in the market, kind of the swings, and track what's causing your inventory to go up or down, subsequently impacting your cost of goods sold, all the way down to that bottom line. Right now, what we're seeing with AI, a lot of it is asking it smart prompts, and it's able to look at your financial data. Right now, it's where I see a lot of the use is being able to extract data based on prompts that you tell it. Where it's headed, I think it will be able to actually perform some of the tasks that you need it to. Some of the more traditionally mundane accounting tasks through maybe collections activities, some of the more tedious AR or AP applications, really relying on AI to identify some of the weaknesses as well as automating some of those processes that aren't automated today. From an accounting perspective, it truly allows you to cut back on some of the overhead. There's a lot of automation capabilities. For one, something new that is new to a lot of people with ERPs. Through our implementation, there's a lot of configuration and setup through what's called the posting groups. And posting groups drive GL account postings based on a myriad of factors, whether it's your inventory, customers, vendors, bank accounts. When those transactions are posted, they're already configured to hit certain GL accounts, meaning that your accounting staff does not need to know the correct inventory account, the correct expense account, the correct revenue account, because it's all set up front. Cutting back on the overhead hours, as well as access to real-time data is a game changer for all of our clients. The ability to directly go into maybe your sales orders, your purchase orders. You can pull out that data on a day-to-day basis and forecast your revenues, forecast your expenses. You're able to run financial reports at any given time. There's no more waiting until month end to provide those reports, to make business decisions based on that data. It can be happening every day.